This site is composed of 2 large data centers. Currently, we are nearing substantial completion on the build. It's been around about 2 years-ish at this point in time. One of the largest difficulties that we faced on this project was what we call the Z-bend piping. So we have multi-trade racks that have pipe that come into the building and then go across our data halls. So figuring out how to join them together with a roof that didn't have a high amount of load it was able to support, along with multiple other trades trying to be in the same area, proved to be very difficult, but used the Calder team along with the Gripple team to get all of it figured out, and it ended up working out for the best.
So on this site, it was a very heavy engineering lift, but there was also a lot of seismic bracing as well as spring hangers for some of the piping systems and roof deflection problems that needed to be solved. Gripple seismic products were used for HVAC, mechanical piping, and plumbing. Southland has utilized both the TecLoc Seismic brace kit as well as the TecLoc rod stiffeners, and they've got some beam clamp applicationists as well.
One of the biggest struggles that we see on projects similar to this is the amount of problems that we face every day, particularly during pre-construction and our design efforts. One of the fantastic things that has gone well for us working here with Gripple is their ability to assist in these issues. Daily we face problems where we're trying to find a solution to an installation problem, an engineering problem. And it's been great to be able to go to Gripple and Calder Richards and find solutions as we've kind of worked together as a team.
Our engineering services covers a lot of the large facility water piping that travels around the building and through the building and exits the building on massive pipe bridges that took a lot of coordination, both from an engineering perspective, but also from a prefabrication and logistics perspective on site. We had to come up with some unique solutions to support this pipe, not just from a gravity perspective, but from a seismicity perspective as well, and keep that facility water flowing to all of the equipment.
One of the core values that we hold at Southland Industries is innovation. With Gripple, I think that their values align right in line with us. They're constantly trying to provide products that help our installation go better, help it go quicker, safer, and ultimately provide a product to our client that they're happy with.